Beautiful friends, in this video I will show you the HCMC price predictions. What's the performance occurred in the HCMC. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's start the price predictions of the HCMC. So friends, after a hour's change occur in the HCMC, the change as $0.0011 change occur in any hour in the HCMC. Now let's check it out the details about this HCMC. As you can see here, the volume of the HCMC at this time is 3.02 billion. Volume of HCMC is the volume of HCMC and the volume average volume of the HCMC total 3.02 billion as the average volume of the HCMC. Now if we look the day range, what's the change occur in the day range of the HCMC? As you can see here, 0.0010 into 0.0011 mean 1% chance occur in HCMC. That's the day range of the HCMC. Now if we look the average, the 52-week change occur in HCMC, so 0.000 change into 0.0065 between this the change occur in a 52-week range. Now if we look the market cap of the HCMC, so the market cap is 309.5 million dollar is the market cap of HCMC, absolutely a very high. So if we look the shares outstanding, share outstanding of the HCMC is about 105.11 billion is the shares outstanding. So friends, now let's check it out the average volume of the HCMC. The average volume of the HCMC is 3.13 billion as the average HCMC volume. Now let's check it out. The performance occurs in by the HCMC in a 5 day in a 1 month. As you can see here, the 5 day HCMC, as you can see here, volume change negative 9.09%. That's mean that HCMC falls down in a 5 days. And now let's see the last 1 hour, 1 month change as negative 37.50% change occur in the HCMC, and the 3 month as positive 900% and same and so on. The 1 year is also positive and the 1 year is also very positive. Now let's take it about the recent news about HCMC. As you can see here, there is no headlines available for about HCMC, friends. So hope you like this kind of videos. If you want this kind of more news and updates about HCMC and other cryptocurrencies markets, so remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications.